Go.
My name is Umar Ibrahim from Adamawa State, Nigeria. As you can see in front of me, there is a desktop computer here. This is the whole casing of the desktop. As you can see, the whole casing housing the whole components inside the computer. This is like the heart of the computer, which is the system board or the motherboard. There are a lot of components attached to it. Let me start with the CPU, which is this. It is regarded as the brain of the computer. Let me remove it gently. As you can see it, this is the CPU. Let me return it back to its position gently. As you can see, it is seated back. This is the CMOS battery of the computer. These are expansion slots, PCI expansion slots, three of these. This is where the RAM is sitting. This is the RAM of the computer. It's sitting here. This is the power supply to the computer. It's providing the whole power to the computer here. And this is the CD-ROM. This is the CD-ROM. As you know, it is at the front of the computer here to the inside. This is the hard disk of the computer, which is saving the data of the computer. This is the heatsink, reducing the heat to the CPU together with its fan. So this is the CMOS battery of the computer. As you can see here, sitting here, you can remove it, you can take it back. So I will start explaining the ports attached to the system board. These two are PS2 and mouse ports. These three are visual ports, three of these. These are USB ports. This is Ethernet port connecting to the internet. These are audio ports. As you can see, this is a fan attached to the casing of the fan, which is reducing the heat to the inside the fan, inside the casing. So let me explain some of the buses here on the computer. As you can see, this is the SATA cable. It's a SATA cable, otherwise known as data cable. You can connect it directly to the hard disk, and this is the power supply to the hard disk. As you can see, I can connect it. This is the power supply directly to the hard disk from the power supply. You can see, look at it. This is the power supply to the CD, which will be connected to the system board here. So this is the main power supply to the system board. As you can see, look at it here, sitting here. This is the main power supply to the system board, and this is providing additional power to the system board here, sitting here. This cable here is providing power to the fan of the computer is providing power to the fan of the computer together with the heatsink. This is the audio cable connected directly here from the